Welcome back. This is a tutorial to publish sound files on the BSV blockchain using Ecat.Media. For the purpose of this tutorial, we have already charged our wallet with about 3 to 4 megabyte worth of BSV. Before we start, a reminder that encrypted publishing costs about 20% more than unencrypted publishing. If you want to learn more about using Ecat.Media, please watch our first tutorial video. So now, we're going to add file. We're going to process, start upload. A couple things to remember while it uploads. You have to always make sure that you have the correct balance files. If you don't have the right balance, your file will not upload. That's just the way the app works. And a lot of people have had trouble uploading files because their balance is lower than what they need. So just always make sure your balance is right. If your balance is correct, you're gonna have no problem. You're not gonna run into any problems uploading. And also remember that this is a beta app, so like if things are slower, it's because it's not in its final version yet. So just be patient with the application. And this one is almost done. And it's done. So over here on the top right corner of your screen, you're gonna get like a green notification saying your files successfully uploaded. If we can see that we have an unconfirmed balance because our file, and then we have 13 UTXOs left. Nice. So when we go to profile now, we can see that the file is there. Oh, we got our notification, success, details, manage tokens, details. So now we can see the linker transaction. So manage tokens. We go new, generate. Oh, sorry, I forgot to select. So I go normal. Let's do 100, generate, and then copy link. Sometimes like unconfirmed music should work, but sometimes depending on the size of the file needs to get propagated over all the nodes, and but usually it works.
Only making money, I'm just by my fun. Dragging on them, baby girl, your man is just a bum. I lost my nigga to the streets, my shooter's going dumb. My nigga.
So yeah, that's how you upload sound files onto BSV using Ecat. It's not that hard. It just sometimes it takes a little longer. Just be patient. I know like everyone just likes everything to happen quickly, which will get there. The reason you would use BSV and Ecat to publish sound is because you can distribute it globally without the need for middlemen, just like how Bitcoin does that for finance. But you can do this for your sound data now. And another reason is because of preservation. So your music will live on forever, or as long as Bitcoin exists, on BSV. So by doing this, once it's published, you're no longer worried about, will my server stay up, or will my music be will iTunes take my music down, or Spotify, or YouTube, or whatever. So that's the advantage of owning your data.